Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And finally, I actually rolled back my Windows insider ring that was moved. Like a lot of you have noticed, if you were on release preview, you have probably been moved to the beta version, and I kind of didn't like that. So I used the rollback feature that exists under the Windows updates when you go to another build in the advanced options. One of the options that you can do is to roll back to a previous version. And this is what I have done. I have simply rolled back to a previous version. So what I did is simply go to the go back go back, and it sent me back to the release preview. So on the release preview, I decided to go to the options in the Windows updates. When you go to the Windows Insider program, there was an option that gave me the possibility to exit the Windows Insider program when possible. And what that did is actually, at some point, I saw that there was an update, and the update that appeared was, here we're gonna install Windows 11 version 25H2. So it in fact took me out of the insider rings completely by reinstalling 25H2. So that's where I am now, and I'm glad to be back to the regular Windows version. I left my gaming laptop on the beta version, but this one will be on the regular 25H2 now. I just didn't want to be in the beta, and of course, that maneuver, what did it do? I have the old start menu back, and seems that I'll have to wait again to have the new start menu. This is so weird. Yet on my gaming laptop, the new start menu stayed there. It figures, you try to understand why, but I guess there's no reason, or there's no understanding to be had with how Microsoft works. So I'm back on 25H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.